In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to a Google Drive link. This straightforward process ensures that you're able to share files or folders with anyone, whether they have a Google account or not. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. It's important to be logged in because this is the foundation of authenticating your access to Google Drive. Once you're in your Gmail, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the 9-dot icon, which represents Google Apps. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Google Drive. This will take you straight to your Drive, where you can easily manage your files. Now, navigate through your files and find the one you wish to share. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or any type of file you have stored in your Drive. Click to select it, but don't open it. Instead, look for the Share button that typically appears as an icon of a person with a plus sign situated at the top right corner of your Drive interface, or it may become visible as an option in a drop-down menu when you right-click on the file. When you click Share, a window will pop up, presenting you with sharing options. Focus on the section labeled General Access. This determines who can see or edit your file based solely on possessing its link. Your goal here is to update the privacy settings. You'll want to change this from the default, which often restricts access, over to anyone with the link. This action essentially opens up your document for anyone who has the link, regardless of whether they're logged into a Google account. Next, you need to establish the level of access these users will have. Your options are Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choosing Viewer allows people to see your document without the ability to make changes. Commenter enables them to add suggestions or notes without altering the core content. And Editor gives complete control over the document, including making changes to the content. Make your selection based on what you want the recipients to do. After setting your desired role, click on Copy Link. This action ensures the link is ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Hit the Done button to wrap things up on the Google Drive side. Now you have the link copied to your clipboard, and it's time to share it. Paste the link into an email, a chat, or wherever you intend to distribute it. This simple yet effective method ensures your chosen audience can access the content in the way you've defined. And it's a versatile approach for sharing important documents swiftly and securely. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to sharing a Google Drive link effectively.